Hey, hi Bangalore. This is Suman from Dr. AV Receiver. So today, as everyone knows, we are selling an board Avante 3100D and the Zook bar, Zebronic Zook bar in the exchange only. In the exchange, we have the board offer for an exchange. If you require a service for the same board, that too possible. And so for now, from the customer given from the Warangal, they have given this number. So Warangal, Telangana state. The customer given and this is his board and this is my board. So after injecting the software, also it's not possible to repair. So we are giving our board. So this is what the board condition. Same board. There is no nothing alteration and all. Only the software issue and this ICs and all. Which this and all everything will be changed. And if anyone requires the boat Avante 3100D and Zebronic Zook bar and all whatever it is, so kindly contact me, and only limited edition as soon as possible the stocks also will be cleared. So only send the board, that's all. Like this, remove the board because we have the system here to test and all. So power supply system controlling everything we have. So only send the board here. If you send the board, we'll check it. If possible, with the same board, we will get it done. If not, means we will give an our board like a different board. Thank you everyone. And we are located in Yelahanka, Chikkabommasandra, Bangalore, Yelahanka, towards Devanalli Airport route. So thank you everyone. If anyone requires, do contact Dr. AV Receiver. Thank you.